Hi everyone, this is a real common issue on NBs. This one here has only got 25,000 miles, and yet, check out what's going on. We're going to try to start it. Common no start issue. Well, this is probably what you want to take care of, is the cam sensor. This is the original Mazda one, which is the one we sell. We're going to give it to Alex, so he replaces it, and we'll see what happens. So you can see it's a really easy replacement. Takes just a few seconds to get the new part in. Make sure you don't strip or break that bolt. And now we restart. There we go. It's that easy.